Traveling is really costly, especially when it involves planes. Thanks to AirAsia's promo, we only paid 5,162 pesos for round trip tickets. If you're on a tight budget like us, it'd be best to wait for promos. If you're a spontaneous person who wants to save money, no worries. You can arrange your own transportation from the airport to your hotel by yourself. If I'm not mistaken, it's the cheapest option. From the airport, you have to ride a tricycle, a van, or a bus to go to Caticlan Jetty port, which normally takes about 5 to 15 minutes. Just ride a tricycle, which costs 75 pesos for regular people and 60 pesos for seniors or PWDs. Don't forget to take your IDs with you guys. Not bad considering that Boracay is a touristy spot. So you will arrive at this point at Caticlan Jetty port to make some payments. I had no idea what to do, so I just asked and found Let's Go Boracay. Here are the rates for foreign tourists and domestic tourists. Take note that you will be paying twice for each line item for your entrance to and exit from Bora, except the environmental fee, which you'll only have to pay once. So for one person, you will spend a total of 620 pesos. Don't forget to present your PWD or senior ID to get a discount. After registering with Let's Go, you will be given a barcode which you will present to the counter for payment. Then off you go to Bora. Shout out to Princess from Let's Go, who really accompanied us from the registration until where the boat was. If you tell them that it's your first time in Bora, they will guide you without any additional charge. The ferry boat ride from Caticlan Jetty Port to Cagban Jetty Port in Bora just takes 10 to 15 minutes. Hopefully, if you go to Bora, it will be sunny so you'll enjoy the activities in the island more. From the port, just ride an e-trike to your hotel. We just paid 50 pesos to the main street of La Carmela and just walked a few minutes to reach there. We stopped at this small eatery to eat lunch because it was past 12 noon. Here's a caveat though, prices in Bora are relatively expensive. But don't worry because Jollibee and McDonald's are there to support you in times of need. I ordered chicken cordon bleu, rice, one bottle of soft drink, water, and paid 500 pesos. It was expensive, but it was worth the price because the taste was really good. Luckily, we were able to check in at La Carmela earlier without charge, and they had a welcome greeting for my mother's 60th birthday. Happy birthday to you! Thank you! After resting, we went strolling. La Carmela is just a walking distance to the beach, and it is near a police station and 7-Eleven. The weather was bright and lovely. I saw some people jogging here the next day. It'd be fun if you go walking or jogging because you'd be hitting two birds with one stone by doing so. Look how beautiful that simple picture is. Don't miss this part in Boracay, by the way. You'll find this somewhere by the beach. You need to pay 20 pesos per head though, but that's nothing compared to a memorable picture on this spot. Then my mom went back to Cebu. Kidding. She just had some pictures taken in a kayak. If you're not great at posing for pictures, don't worry. Banqueros are pros.
Kakadating nyo lang dito, ma'am?
Yes, sir. 150, sir, no?
Opo, sa tao.
Very helpful si sir. What's your name again, sir?
RG, ma'am.
RG, Sir RG. Say hi to the vlog!
Nag-vlogger ko, ma'am. Hello po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you sa sponsor.
We wanted to do the Parasailing, but the partner of the other couple that was supposed to go with us didn't push through, so we ended up staying on the beach as we watched the sailboats and waited for the sunset instead. You might want to eat at this place for dinner. Someone actually caught our attention and we were directed here. It was a good place and they had a live band. We paid a total of 1,000 pesos for our dinner. It was worth it because their scallops and sisig were spectacular. Just a caveat though, they imposed 10% service charge. morning, guys. Tingnan natin yung... Oh no! It's raining! Look! So it rained early in the morning the next day, but I was hopeful it would be sunny later that day because we had many plans. Thankfully, the heavens granted my request. Hi guys! Papunta kami yung breakfast, guys. Ganda na, guys. Sige, bye. La Carmela offers a buffet for breakfast, so you can have a more enjoyable and bountiful stay. Hi guys! Shout out to Sir Anyok who helped us with our gallon of water. If you want to save money, you may opt to transfer to a cheaper hotel the next day, but it's better to check out earlier so you can transfer to your new hotel, especially when your day is so packed with activities. In our case, we just transferred to Eurotel and paid an early check-in fee of 500 pesos compared to the late checkout fee of 500 pesos per hour at La Carmela. Then we headed to the area where you have to pay for water activities. I suggest that you don't pay down payments to anyone who calls you and who endorses water sports to you. I was told the day before by a random man that I should pay him 500 pesos, but I remembered Sir Anyok telling me to pay here, so I declined that man's offer. This was actually on a Saturday at 8 a.m. and there were just few people on the beach. It's a perfect time to go swimming. When it's a lovely day, don't forget to take advantage of that and capture memories as much as you can. It's not every day that you go to a beautiful place, so yeah. Then we headed to the platform where they gather for the water sport activities.
Jerome, hi sir, Anyok.
Tour guide!
Welcome to the vlog.
Ngayong platform. Happy birthday to you! Andyan sila, nag-prepare na sila, sir. Yun! It was windy that time, and as we sat there, everything started sinking in. A part of me was starting to question my decisions in life. There was no backing out, though. And off we flew. Being suspended in the air gave me mixed emotions. I was happy because I finally got a chance to experience how parasailing feels. But at the same time scared because our lives just depended on one rope that was battling the wind. By the way, it's best not to look down, otherwise it might ruin your experience. When you're up there, don't be scared. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. I think it's best to do this at sunset. Overall, it was a very great experience. Actually, we went island hopping, snorkeling, and helmet diving. Staying here and enjoying the view were just so relaxing. My mom has learned from the banqueta and posed for photos better than I did.
Hi guys, we're here. Look at the view. Sightseeing kami. Gusto ko mangihi, guys.
We went snorkeling thereafter. The current was a little strong, so we didn't have good shots unlike in Bohol.
What naman das dagat, ma'am?
Then we stopped by an island for some refreshment.
Hi, Mads! Kain po tayo, guys!
Then we proceeded to go helmet diving. It's so amazing because the helmet isn't completely closed, but water doesn't fill it in due to some matters that can only be explained by science. To be honest, I thought it was easy. This was my first attempt, but I immediately resurfaced because the helmet was too heavy. I felt that I would drown. There were also two people who didn't manage to go down because they were overwhelmed by fear. I did it the second time around, so they cheered when they realized I finally submerged deeper. Looks easy, right? Do not be deceived by what you see. You have to do some equalizing stuff to balance the pressure. Otherwise, you might find it hard to breathe. Anyway, it was an amazing experience. I felt like a mermaid in an astronaut suit. Thankfully, there was no shark.
Uy, asa naman to? Ako wala.
Then, Mega Paraw, the tour group which was marketed by Sir Onyek to us, provided free lunch at this place. You can also do kayaking if you want to. They also had this big live cooking pot attraction. Then we had our last but definitely not the least activity.
We will do the party boat.
I want more ladder! Are you ready to enjoy? Alright guys, bagong dating po, punta po muna tayo dito.
While waiting for the official party to begin, you may swim, snorkel, use the slide, go kayaking, ride a speedboat, and take photos on the upper deck.
Yay! Thank you!
In Boracay, memorable and enjoy, okay? Guys, di po araw-araw nasa Boracay po kayo ha. Hindi po araw-araw nasa bakasyon kayo. Kaya habang nandito kayo guys, sulitin nyo, ihataw nyo. Hanggat kaya pa ng katawan nyo, ihataw nyo. Okay? Walang rewind yung buhay ha. Piliin nyo maging masaya. Kaya hanggat kaya pa ng katawan nyo, ihataw nyo! kayo?
Taga-Cebu po, 60th birthday po ng mama ko.
Oo.
Batiin
Happy
natin.
birthday! Ano mama no? Pangalan?
Margie.
Margie.
Happy 16th birthday, Ma'am Margie! Happy birthday and welcome to